Hello Kartapult users! This guide provides a walkthrough on how to use the Creatives Manager in Kartapult. The Creatives Manager serves as a storage hub for approved creatives, allowing users to organize them by offers or occasions in folders with images and videos. This ensures efficient tracking and offers a central repository of ready-to-use creatives. For that, go to Creatives Manager. You can either upload your file in a pre-made folder, or you can create a new folder. Enter your folder name and click on Submit. The folder has been created successfully. Now click on your folder and click on Upload Creatives. You can select the combination of photos and videos to upload, and if any image or videos shows any error, refer to Meta's Ad Guide support page for detailed specification and guidelines on image edits and videos for Facebook feeds. If your file is free from error, then click on Upload. The file uploading is in progress, and it will be uploaded in a few moments. You can also use this filter button to filter your Creative Manager. So this was all about the Creative Manager feature available in Kartapult. Thank you for watching.